Welcome. Today, we're tackling a vital topic: building a $1,000 emergency fund quickly. This fund is crucial for your financial peace of mind, protecting you from life's unexpected expenses. First, let's understand your current financial situation. Where is your money truly going? It's essential to track every dollar. Use apps, spreadsheets, or even a notebook to identify spending patterns. Our first strategy: cutting unnecessary expenses. Start by distinguishing between your wants and your needs. Many of us have unused subscriptions. Review and cancel those streaming services or gym memberships you don't use. Dining out adds up quickly. Try cooking more meals at home and packing your lunch for work. Look for cheaper alternatives. Generic brands, discount stores, or free entertainment can save you a lot. Next, let's boost your income. Even small increases can make a big difference. Explore side hustles. Freelancing, dog walking, or delivery services are great ways to earn extra cash. Declutter and sell unused items. Online marketplaces are perfect for turning old belongings into new savings. Consider asking for a raise or taking on more hours at your current job. Every bit helps. Temporary gigs or seasonal work can provide a quick cash injection for your emergency fund. Now, let's automate your savings. Make saving effortless and consistent. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account. Schedule them for payday. Consider direct depositing a portion of your paycheck directly into your emergency fund. Treat savings like any other bill. Prioritize it, just like rent or utilities. The snowball method for savings. Build momentum with small, consistent efforts. Celebrate every dollar saved. Small wins keep you motivated and focused on your goal. As you find more ways to save or earn, gradually increase your automated transfers. Consistency is key. Regular, even small, contributions will lead to significant savings over time. Finally, be mindful of windfalls. Unexpected money can be a huge boost to your fund. Dedicate a portion or all of your tax refund to your emergency fund. It's a smart move. Work bonuses are perfect for savings. Resist the urge to spend and secure your future instead. If you receive gifts or inheritances, allocate them responsibly towards your emergency fund. You've learned key strategies to build your $1,000 emergency fund fast. Start your journey today. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe for more financial wisdom and exciting content.